Click on the vehicle module and choose NRT, then choose Add NRT. Select the vehicle to be added to the non-revenue trip. Click Submit to proceed. To mark the damages of the vehicle in the 2D drawing, click on the Edit button, which is the pen icon at the upper right corner of the table. Enter the handover and contact details and indicate the current status of the vehicle. You may also upload photos in the attachment section. For this tutorial, we'll skip this part. Click on the hirer's signature and inspector's signature box buttons, and sign accordingly. Click OK to save the signature. Then, click Proceed button once completed. The NRT is now reflected in the list.